day. This is hectic.
You do that, bro.
I will.
How you going, guys?
It's good.
Welcome to another episode of Southeast Ghetto Garage.
Yeah. What do we got going on today, man?
Today I'm planning to do a little something on the bonnet. I might keep it a surprise for you guys for now, just until we do it.
Okay.
So we'll see how that goes. We'll see you shortly in the garage.
It's gonna change the whole look of the car, man. The whole look.
Hopefully, if it turns out right.
If
it turns out right.
Yeah, that's it.
All right, we'll see you guys in there.
Yeah. Just finished wiping it up. Got to make sure there's no water spots on it. It just rained, so quickly wipe it up. What are you doing, cuz?
Taking up the tiny bit of clear that's left on this bonnet.
Oh yeah? Ghetto ass shit using a iPhone shit.
Nothing else, boy.
Make do, yeah?
Exactly, brother. Now guys, after we've got the bonnet off, we're just prepping it. So we've got 240 and we've also got 3000 for a fine finish. So we're gonna sand the whole thing down, make sure all the clear's off it. You know, some areas have like little cracks and stuff, like can't really spot them right now, but like little divots, so we'll smooth that out as well. And then yeah, we'll see you in the next step.
Yeah. So yeah, just gotta wait about what, 5-10 minutes between each coat. And yeah, should be all G.
Try to be a good person. Shouldn't wear a bell around your neck. Wanna get slept, fool? You ridiculous.
What are you up to now, Kazi?
It's a surprise.
Can't record this, huh?
No.
Shit.
Inaka. Body might do it.
Shit.
Try to be a good person. Shouldn't wear a bell around your neck. Wanna get slept, fool? You ridiculous.
Alright, put it down. And there you have it, guys. The finished product. The rising sun is now on the Teggy's bonnet.
Changed the whole look, eh?
I know. We'll put a photo of the old bonnet in right about now. And just look at the difference it makes to the car. Like, oh my god.
Fucking insane, man.
Whole different car now. Alright guys, we're gonna finish putting everything back together and we'll see you in a bit.
Okay guys, so it's been a minute since we've done the bonnet on the Teggy.
It has, it really has.
Yeah.
We've done quite a bit to it, eh?
Yeah. You wanna explain?
I guess so.
Yeah. What's been done to it, bro?
Put an oil pressure gauge in there just because I know it was acting a bit weird, so I wanted to see what was going on. And I found that, you know, it was losing pressure sometimes. So I put that in there, and then just after I put that in there, it started like idling really weird.
Yeah,
so,
it was like going up and down. What was it revving to? Like fucking
3.5. Would jump. So
Yeah.
it would go from 750 to 3.5, and then back to 750 and then 3.5.
Carlos Island's like, wow,
Yeah.
wow, wow. Like, bro, this thing is so hot right now.
Yeah.
Eh?
Like, I had so much attention from cops.
Yeah.
Just be careful, guys.
Yeah.
But
100%.
it turned out to be the fast idle valve.
Yeah.
So if you're having that issue on an Integra with a B18B, that will fix your issue.
Yep. Take it out, clean it up, make sure it's tight and shit.
Exactly.
That's it.
And I also got some special shoes for her. Some new ones.
Yeah. We're gonna show you.
Yeah.
You got
You'll see everything shortly.
Yeah. We got the visors and shit.
Oh yeah.
too.
I got window visors.
And what else?
I got a quick release and LED lighting for the inside.
And a front lip too.
Oh yeah.
Bro,
and
this
a
thing
front
looks.
lip.
We're about to show you what it looks like now.
Yeah. See you guys soon.
Try to be a good person. Shouldn't wear a bell around your neck. Wanna get slept, fool? You ridiculous.
Hey guys, make sure you subscribe, like, and hit that notification bell so you know when we post new videos.